Alright, so for the app, I'm going to go to the Google Play Store because I have an Android device, and I type in Hunting Cam Pro. Alright, so we'll let that come on, and then it tells you how to turn on the Wi-Fi. You press and hold the up button 3 seconds. Alright, so let's wake this guy up here. So I'm in settings. It says press and hold the up button for 3 seconds. Alright, and then, yeah, so you have to manually go in there and actually connect to the Wi-Fi. It doesn't do it automatically. At least they make it an easy password. Okay, so now that's connected. Let's go back to the app. Newer phones never like the direct connection, so I can go here to the camera. Let's just see what it does here. Cool, so yeah, so it shows you a live view. Of course it's slightly delayed, but that gives you the temperature in there. That's good. So that appears to work, and then you can manually click it on and off. It tells you battery life. So let's go back here. You know, if I had any pictures on there, they would obviously show up here. So this is kind of the neat thing, is you can walk up to this device. Like I said, you can also use this watch to press on, and that will kick your Wi-Fi on, and then you can take your phone and you can look at your pictures. You don't have to. I always had to take my SD card back inside, check and see what pictures I got on it, and now I can just do that right here in the woods without having to take the SD card back home. Alright, and then settings. So looks like there's no settings other than the clear the cache. So I think that's pretty much all there is to it. There's not a whole lot in the setup phase. That was pretty quick and easy. So now what I'll do is I'll get this guy outside and get it strapped up to a tree, and then that way I can see how good of detection it has, as well as how good of video and photo quality it has.